Is your kitchen constantly overflowing with gadgets and clutter, making it impossible to find what you need when you need it? What if you could transform that chaotic space into a well-organized, efficient kitchen without spending a fortune? In today's video, I'm sharing 20 game-changing Amazon kitchen organization gadgets that will help you maximize your space, keep things neat, and make your kitchen work like a well-oiled machine. Ready to take your kitchen to the next level? But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And by the way, if you're looking to save time, get free 2-day shipping on kitchen gadgets and so much more with an Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. Links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up, Magnetic Knife Strips Acacia Wood Holder. This stylish and ultra-strong magnetic knife strip by Ho features premium acacia wood with 2 rows of powerful magnets for a secure hold. Its sleek arc design adds elegance to any kitchen. With a 16-inch length, it maximizes space while keeping utensils within reach. Easy to install with screws or adhesive. Ideal for knives, tools, and more. Price: $23.99. Next up, over-the-sink roll-up dish drying rack. Made of 304 stainless steel and BPA-free silicone, this sturdy, heat-resistant rack supports up to 33 pounds. It's perfect for drying dishes, washing produce, or as a trivet for hot pots. The roll-up design saves space and is easy to clean. Ideal for kitchens, RVs, and camping. Rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe for long-lasting use. Price: $6.99. 3. Refillable Magnetic Plastic Wrap Dispenser. This BPA-free dispenser features a magnetic base for easy attachment to metal surfaces. The two-way hidden stainless steel cutter ensures smooth, precise cuts without bunching. Compatible with plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and parchment paper. Its durable ABS design is reusable and built to last. Perfect for any kitchen, keeping food storage effortless and mess-free. Price: $16.99. 4. JONYJ Stackable Spice Rack Organizer. This durable iron spice rack holds up to 40 jars, keeping your kitchen neat and spices within reach. Its detachable design allows for customizable storage, while the rust-proof coating ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for cabinets, countertops, or even as a bathroom or pantry organizer. Easy to assemble and space-saving for any home. Price: $25.99. 5. VEVOR Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. This heavy-duty pull-out shelf creates extra storage space in cabinets, ideal for pots, pans, food jars, and cleaning supplies. Made from durable, rust-resistant chrome-plated steel, it holds up to 28.6 pounds and slides smoothly with a quiet ball-bearing system, even under heavy items. Easy to install with a detachable tray for cleaning. Perfect for kitchen, bathroom, or any cabinet. Price: $22.04. 6. YouCopia Adjustable Spice Rack Organizer. This top-rated spice rack features pull-out drawers that glide down for easy access, bringing spices from the back of the cabinet to eye level. Adjustable dividers fit round, square, small, and tall bottles. No transfers needed. Includes 104 removable labels for quick organization. No tools or installation required. Just load and go. Made from BPA-free, recycled plastic in a speckled white finish. Price: $34.99. 7. LuvURkitchen Wooden Bread Box. This extra-large bamboo bread box comes with a dedicated cutting board and a high-quality stainless steel bread knife, stored conveniently underneath. The adjustable shelf stays a shelf, maximizing space, while air vents keep bread fresh longer. Wide-opening doors free up counter space, and assembly takes just minutes. Crafted from durable bamboo, it's built to last and makes a perfect gift. Price: $38.94. 8. Mind Reader Tea Bag Organizer. Keep your tea collection neat with this space-saving tea station. Featuring 9 drawers for tea bags and 2 extra compartments for sweeteners or stirrers, it offers customizable storage. The open design and removable drawers ensure easy access, while rubber feet provide stability. Compact yet spacious, it measures 10.25 inches by 3.25 inches by 13.75 inches and weighs just 1.12 pounds. A perfect addition to any kitchen or pantry. Price: $19.99. 9. Eggs Organizer for Refrigerator. Keep eggs fresh and organized with this stackable, clear egg holder. Featuring 2 pull-out drawers with extended handles for easy access, it holds up to 60 eggs securely. A built-in time tracker helps monitor freshness, while the BPA-free PET material ensures durability. The transparent design allows for quick visibility, and its stackable feature saves fridge space. Not dishwasher safe. Price: $24.69. 10. Bamboo Dish Drying Rack. Made from 100% natural bamboo, this 2-tier collapsible dish rack is a stylish and eco-friendly way to dry dishes. Its space-saving X-shaped design folds easily for storage, while the included utensil holder with drainage holes keeps cutlery dry. Perfect for plates, cups, and silverware, this dish drainer helps keep your counter tidy and organized. Durable and chemical-free for safe kitchen use. Price: $26.59. 11. Expandable Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer. Keep your kitchen neat with this adjustable bamboo cutlery tray, expanding from 5 to 7 compartments to fit various utensils. Designed for flatware, silverware, and larger kitchen tools like ladles and whisks, it maximizes storage while adding a warm, natural touch. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, it resists cracking and warping. Smooth edges and an elegant design make it perfect for any drawer. Easy to clean and maintain. Price: $23.99. 12. Utoplike Indrawer Bamboo Knife Block. Keep your knives organized and sharp with this sleek bamboo knife drawer organizer. Designed to fit drawers larger than 16.7-inch DX 12.3, WX 2.1H, it holds 16 knives and 1 sharpening steel. The carved grooves and angled slots provide easy access while preventing blade damage. Made from durable, eco-friendly Mozo bamboo, it resists chipping and scratches. A stylish and practical way to store knives neatly and safely. Price: $34.69. 13. Sorbus Soda Can Organizer. Keep your fridge neat with this stackable can holder that holds 12 cans per unit. Perfect for sodas, beer, or energy drinks, it saves space in fridges, pantries, and freezers. Made from BPA-free, clear plastic, it ensures durability and easy visibility, so you can quickly grab your favorite drink. Its compact design, 17.25-inch LX 5.6, WX 5.9H, makes it great for maximizing kitchen storage. A must-have for organized homes. Price: $29.99. 14. Mbillion Kitchen Compost Bin. A 2.1-gallon stainless steel trash can designed for kitchen cabinets, under sinks, and RVs. Its 401 stainless steel lid seals tightly to block odors and fruit flies. Mounted on cabinet doors, walls, or countertops, fits doors up to 0.98-inch thick. The removable inner bucket makes emptying and cleaning easy. Soft close lid operates smoothly without noise. Rust-proof, waterproof, and space-saving, it's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and RVs. Price: $29.99. 15. Acacia Cutting Board with Containers and Lids. Upgrade meal prep with this durable Acacia wood board featuring 4 built-in storage bins for easy ingredient organization. Includes 4 stainless steel graters, slicer, fine, coarse, and zestu for versatile prep. 2 plastic mats protect the board while prepping meats, and the juice groove prevents spills. Anti-slip feet ensure stability for safe slicing. a perfect all-in-one cutting board prep station for any kitchen. Price: $47.99. 16. Turntable Lazy Susan Spice Organizer. Maximize organization with this 2-pack rotating spice rack for your pantry, countertop, or bathroom. Each 10-inch turntable features 2 tiers, holding items up to 5.7 inch high. The non-slip silicone surface and anti-slip feet keep your items secure while spinning. Perfect for spices, condiments, snacks, cosmetics, and more. Easy to assemble, hand wash only. Price: $19.99. 17. Trash bag holder with bamboo top. This sleek garbage bag dispenser features a natural bamboo top and stainless steel basket for durability. Measuring 9.84 by 5.51 by 5.71 inches, it fits standard-sized trash bags and can be wall-mounted or placed on countertops. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Price: $19.99. 18. Pantry organization and storage for kitchen. This expandable kitchen wrap box organizer helps maximize space in your pantry or cabinet. With adjustable height and width, it fits various storage needs. Made from premium metal and BPA-free plastic, it holds up to 40 pounds. Easy to assemble and non-slip. Perfect for kitchen, bathroom, or RV storage. Price: $23.79. 19. Paper towel holders for kitchen. This self-adhesive undercabinet paper towel holder is made from durable SUS 304 stainless steel, offering waterproof, rust-proof, and strong load-bearing qualities. It's perfect for hanging paper towels, plastic wrap, or other items. The installation is easy with either adhesive or screws. Suitable for smooth surfaces like cabinet peripheries or bathroom walls. Measuring 13 2/5 inches, it's ideal for most spaces. Price: $9.99. 20. Kitchen Utensil Holder Extra Large. This stainless steel utensil caddy features a 360 degrees rotating design for easy access to all your cooking tools. With dimensions of 6.25 inch LX 6.25 WX 8H, it holds approximately 15 large-handled tools like spatulas, ladles, and spoons. The durable, anti-fingerprint stainless steel is dishwasher safe and features drainage holes for quick drying. It also includes a non-slip base to protect your countertop. Price: $22.49. So, which of these kitchen organization gadgets caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.